Hello everyone, I'm here in nearby Macau Tower. Before 2 days, that means 19th of August, there was a very big typhoon in Macau and very heavy rain. Typhoon signal number 8 and the wind was 100 km per hour. So after the typhoon, when I come walk around in this area, there is park you can see. I found one very poor bird who was very tired and very hungry in this area. So he cannot walk properly and cannot fly. So I bring back my home and I feed her, I make her warm. So after 2 days, I hope he feel better. So I bring it back in the same place where I pick up, and I'm going to release him at the same place. Who is with me right now? Let's see the poor bird being happy and open the sky.